Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the simplest electrical causes. Unplug the monitor and plug it into a known good outlet or surge protector. This rules out intermittent wall power. Once done, disconnect and reseat the power cord and the video cable at both ends to clear loose contacts. If the problem persists, swap in a spare power cord and an alternate HDMI or DisplayPort cable to isolate a faulty cable. This tells you whether the issue is wiring versus the monitor or PC. Next, verify the video signal and configuration. Connect the monitor to a second computer or a laptop, which shows whether the monitor itself is unstable. Then, inspect your display settings on the original machine. Make sure the resolution and refresh rate match the monitor's native specs to prevent sync issues. While you're at it, update graphics drivers. If the problem started after an update, roll back the driver or install the monitor firmware, since driver conflicts often trigger on-off cycles. For final diagnostics, use the monitor's on-screen menu to confirm the internal electronics and backlight stay on with no input. Stable menus isolate the PC as the culprit. Perform a factory reset of the monitor to undo problematic settings and feel the power board area for excessive heat. Overheating caps or failing components can cause cycling. If none of these steps stop the toggling, replace the internal power board or seek professional repair, because intermittent power delivery usually indicates hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.